Hi students, this is the second part of the video for the topic cities in India and what they are famous for. In the previous video, we have learned about Delhi and today we are going to learn about the capital city of the Indian state of Maharashtra, that is Mumbai. So let's begin.
Mumbai. Mumbai is the capital city of the Indian state of Maharashtra. According to United Nations, as of 2018, Mumbai was the second most populous city in India after Delhi and the seventh most populous city in the world with a population of 19.98 million. Mumbai is the financial, commercial and entertainment capital of India. It is also one of the world's top 10 centers of commerce in terms of global financial flow. The city also houses India's Hindi, Bollywood and Marathi cinema industries. Mumbai's business opportunities attract migrants from all over India. Gateway of India. Mumbai's most iconic monument, the Gateway of India's construction started in 1911 and was finished 13 years later. Done up in a stunning Indo style of architecture, this huge stone monument stands tall with 4 bartizans and detailed lattice work. Bombay Stock Exchange. The Bombay Stock Exchange is an Indian stock exchange located at Dalal Street, Mumbai. Established in 1875, the BSE is Asia's oldest stock exchange. The BSE is the world's 10th largest stock exchange with an overall market capitalization of more than $2.2 trillion on as of April 2018. Taj Mahal Hotel. Bank opposite the gateway, you will find the Taj Mahal Hotel, another famous Mumbai structure. Built by Sir J.N. Tata, the Taj Mahal Palace and Tower, it is over 100 years old and boasts gorgeous red domes and carved towers. A trip to Mumbai will be incomplete without a glimpse of this elegant hotel. Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. This bustling train station was formerly known as Victoria Terminus and sees thousands of people every day. If you love history and architecture, you must take a Mumbai train to CST. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and boasts of Gothic architecture with stained glass and intricate carvings. If we are talking about Mumbai, how can we forget Film City? Your visit to Mumbai is incomplete till you have had a taste of Bollywood. If you have been yearning to see the workings of the film industry up close, we have it all sorted out for you. Take a Bollywood tour, check out the behind the scenes action and simply live the magic of movies. Haji Ali Dargah. The Haji Ali Dargah is a mosque and dargah or the monument of Pir Haji Ali Shah Bukhari located on an island off the coast of Worli in the southern part of Mumbai. Pir Haji Ali Shah Bukhari was a Sufi saint and a wealthy merchant from Uzbekistan. Near the heart of the city proper, the dargah is one of the most recognizable landmarks of Mumbai. If we talk about food and entertainment, to get a taste of Mumbai street food, you have to visit Juhu Beach that boasts of a number of eateries that offer everything from vada pav and sev puri to coconut water and faluda. Now comes to the marketplace. This Bandra Road is the ultimate shopping destination, offers the best deal on clothes and shoes. Head there on the weekend as that is when you will find the most variety of tops and shoes at super reasonable prices. Do exercise your bargaining skills here.
So children, today we learned about Mumbai and the famous places to visit in Mumbai. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.